Welcome to Physics 1102, Spring 2022. I'm Dr. John Trudson. I'll be teaching this class again this semester. If you were in first semester with 1101, I'm going to be doing pretty much the same format as far as classes, except we're not going to meet on the first day of class. I'll go into that a little bit, but I'll be using the textbook Giancoli, 7th edition, and we'll be starting at chapter 15. So this lecture will be posted. I'll have announcements. So a couple things about it. Classes start the first week, 11th, 10th. First class, I'll just get right to the point, will be on January 18 at 8 a.m. in S212. Now keep in mind, this will be the same format as I did last semester. What I'm going to do is be posting lectures on YouTube with links from each chapter. And then what I'm going to be doing exclusively in class is just answering questions related to lecture. So what I'm going to do is be using the first week for you to look at the first chapters 15, as far as that is concerned. A little bit on 16. As far as what to do there. So I'll be putting the first lecture up for chapter 15. If you have any questions on 15, that's what will be the first week of class. So I'll be meeting on January 18th as far as that's concerned. All right, so we'll have the lecture posted. All right. So a few things about it. All right. All right. So as far as the course is concerned, we'll be having 5 exams. Online with lowest dropped. Then we'll be having, there'll be assignments, chapter review quizzes, check the syllabus and the updated as far as so a chapter review quiz would be 1 on each chapter. You get 2 attempts. You'll be see which ones you get wrong. Exams, you'll get 1 attempt as far as that's concerned, and they will be timed. There'll be labs, and these will be online. Although Dr. Sayer will be in S307 if you have questions about the lab, or 13 labs. They'll be online. I'll be doing the lab as an online lecture video, and then you'll be downloading the handout and completing the data, and doing the lab online as a quiz. Everything in this class, as far as submission of assignments, will be on the quiz. Using the quiz tool, submitting exams as a quiz, submitting the chapter review quizzes as a quiz. Labs will be submitted on quiz. Everything is done on that regards. All right. The only thing that will not be there will be the final exam is on May 2nd at 1 p.m. in S212, and you'll be able to use a calculator and 5 sheets of paper with any notes. All right. Any notes or questions, what you want to do. Now, it's possible this may change. I mean, this is still 4 months from now. So that's how that's going to go. All right, so that's the exam. That's the way the course is going to go. I have checked on D2L for the updated course syllabus and information about that. So I'll be posting lectures for each chapter, along with a lecture explaining review for the chapter, the exams, each of the 5 exams. And I'll be dropping the lowest exam score. Okay. So that's how the course is going to go this semester as far as questions. So I hope you have a good time. And let me know. Email me questions as far as that's concerned. Again, my email is jtruittson@bemidjistate.edu. So, have a good, hope your first semester went well and have fun in this semester. Thank you.